Hi, we received this hedge trimmer bag as a gift so that we could show you all of the really great features of it and show you how our Ego Plus hedge trimmer fits in it. Though it is almost like a universal hedge trimmer bag, it fits many different brands of hedge trimmers. So let's show you how it looks.
So here it is. I've got an Ego and the battery's on it. I'll show you in just a minute. It's a very durable material. This is something you could certainly throw in the back of your truck and nothing's going to happen to it. The Velcro comes undone here. There's actually two zippers. Sorry, turn that around. Spreads open easy. This is it. I've still got the battery on. Obviously, you could take it off if you wanted, but there's plenty of room for bigger hedge trimmers than what I've got. So it's a universal bag. There are pockets on both sides. So if you wanted to put, other tools in there, maybe a charger, you could do that. And zips from either end. Easy to use, easy to carry, and it'll protect it from outside elements.